making the perfect connection. Enable the technology of tomorrow. Wieson Dongguan Hua Guo Electronics is located in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province. The factory covers a total area of 41,000 square meters. Wieson has been dedicated to mechatronic integration and the innovative manufacturing in technologies since 1993. With breakthrough innovation and continuous improvement, its business focusing on 6 industry applications. Scope now extends to computing and data communication, networking solutions, GPU and personal computing, industrial interconnect components, medical electronic solutions, electronic product solutions, wireless component solutions, capable to deliver both customized and standard product solutions. Through the integration of cutting-edge hardware and software technologies, we aim to enhance efficiency and quality improvement to cater worldwide customer specifications and expectations. With our vision, Wieson will be the best partner in smart application of services and components. Recruit and cultivate excellent talents is the #1 core source of enhancing engineering capabilities. It has remained an important management strategy at Wieson for 30 years. R&D and innovation are the driving forces of the company's growing potential. At present, we have experienced engineering, R&D, talents delivering innovative solutions. Wieson focuses on the research and development of electronic components, precision mode, mechanical, high frequency, radio frequency, electronic circuit, and other design verification skills. Wieson has obtained 129 patents, including 27 invention patents. Combined with in-house advanced laboratories and sophisticated test equipment, integrated process of product development, design verification is efficiently conducted to ensure the smooth output of new product solutions. Start from products R&D and design, mode development, component stamping, injection molding to assembly and testing. Wieson's integrated production process and services to ensure high manufacturing quality and fast ramp-up. Wieson invested in high-speed stamp press, precision plastic injection machine, automatic cutting and scraping machine, automatic HB solder machine, CCD inspection, automation line for RF antenna, and high-frequency and high-speed production line, variety of interconnected components assembly, fully automated inspection machine, automated packaging machine, etc. In order to build a smart factory in the new era of smart manufacturing, integrating software like SAP, WMS, MES, QMS, OA, and other information management systems, Wieson can track all aspects of the manufacturing process from receiving orders to shaping in the system to achieve exceptional quality and on-time delivery with complete process records. Start from the raw materials entering the warehouse to product quality inspection and validation in the lab through automated mass production to the finished products going into warehouse and shipment preparation. The professional quality management runs through each product circulation node. Professional, scientific, standardization management makes every department and every process efficient and seamless connected. The company really takes customer is priority, product is priority, quality is priority to the extreme. Since its establishment, the company sells to the international market, exports products to more than 20 countries and regions. Associating top quality and innovative technology with the brand Wieson, winning the deepest trust and affirmation of many customers at home and abroad. The company not only design and produce competitive products, but also take the initiative to fulfill society responsibilities. Wieson actively researched to optimize carbon management plan and application of recycled material, accelerate the green technology upgrade, and the optimization of infrastructure, paying close attention to the development of employees. And never forget to give back to the community.
从1993年至今，在当前领域，我们能将企业做到怎样的高度呢？在这30年来，我与团队以及合作伙伴之间不断地探讨的问题。我认为，公司之所以能够稳步的发展、裂变革新，离不开多年来选择与我们的合作的国内外客户的支持与厚爱。30年来，我们将产品行销全球，靠的是对产品研发的高度专注，对品质的严格把关，以及对生产技术的大胆创新。科技创新的产品研发是我们成长壮大的原动力，坚持品质及服务是我们决胜的关键。我们有坚韧的团队和优秀的合作伙伴，他们陪着华国共同成长，用强大的信念和不懈的努力，将产品做到精益求精。我们时刻倾听市场及客户的声音，做到事事有回应，件件有着落，满足客户的合理需求，用真诚的态度获得客户的信任与认可。未来，公司将持续投入科技研发，掌握和巩固核心技术，并积极地在节能减碳、环保材料应用等绿色产品投入研发，以自主品牌与 ODM 双轨发展策略，聚焦国际与国内客户，立志成为最具竞争力电子零组件和电子产品设计与制造服务的数字科技绿色工厂。
Wieson appreciates the relationship we have with our partners and customers, and Wieson looks forward to work with you.